Hi, I'm Ron Ananian. Some of you may know me from my radio show, The Car Doctor, or have seen me on TV in various settings. But what you may not know is that I am and always have been a working technician shop owner the last 30 years. I'm here today to show you the OTC Leak Tamer Plus EVAP 6521 and why this tool should be part of your essential tool list, if it's not already. The applications for this tool continue to grow all the time. Having the 6521 in your diagnostic arsenal helps ensure that you can confidently and correctly diagnose and repair any EVAP system problem you may face. And since it's easy to use and set up, everyone in the shop can learn its functions quickly without a huge learning curve. Remember, time is money. The quicker you fix the problem, the faster you can get paid and move on to the next vehicle. But if you can't diagnose it, you won't fix it. Let's get started. EVAP system problems and leaks are very common today. You may be surprised to know that at least 50% of the top 10 trouble codes reported by the California Bar can be diagnosed faster and more accurately with diagnostic smoke technology. And results around the country from 1-bay to 10-bay repair shops all point to the same conclusion. When you're faced with diagnosing the cause of those trouble codes, you want and need a tool that helps you find the problem so you can fix it. But when working on EVAP systems, you need more than just a smoke machine. You need the Leak Tamer Plus EVAP from OTC. OTC's Leak Tamer Plus EVAP is the tool of choice for those seeking the combined general leak detection capability and EVAP system testing capability. Both the OTC Leak Tamer and the OTC Leak Master incorporate patented technology using nitrogen to introduce an OEM-approved smoke compound with ultra-trace UV dye into the vehicle's EVAP system, which provides two means of revealing where leaks occur. Why nitrogen? Well, we all know how volatile gasoline vapors can be. Imagine the risk to your shop if you use an external air supply to introduce smoke. Imagine the damage or total destruction of your shop, your customers' vehicles, and worse, it puts at risk your employees, your patrons, and your safety. Nitrogen is a safe way of maintaining a non-combustible vapor space in EVAP systems. Where your safety and the safety of your employees and your business are concerned, don't be swayed by a cheaper tool that can't use nitrogen. Repairing vehicles today is not about how cheap, but about how fast, accurate, and confident you can be in the repair. Imagine being able to tell a customer that you are certain of the EVAP system problem you have found because the nitrogen proved there was a leak faster and more accurately than the smoke alone. Choose the safest tool. Choose the best tool. Choose the OTC Leak Tamer Plus EVAP or the OTC Leak Master. Remember, leak detection can be essential in speedy detection of leaking EGR valves, intake manifold gaskets, fuel injection seals, axle and pinion seals, climate control, and cabin leaks, as well as oil, wind, and water leaks. It can also detect exhaust leaks, vacuum leaks, and of course, EVAP system leaks. Let's see how easy it is to use the Leak Tamer leak detection system. Whether you're using nitrogen for fuel system and EVAP testing, or using your shop's air supply for general leak detection, with the Leak Tamer Plus EVAP, setup is quick and easy. In fact, you could be looking for leaks in less than a minute. Using Leak Tamer to carry smoke into the crankcase through the dipstick tube is a simple way to quickly detect oil leaks. Block off all engine exits, the PCV valve, and so forth. Then remove the oil fill cap and see how the crankcase and related areas will charge very quickly with diagnostic smoke. Replace the oil fill cap and look for smoke. If you see the smoke, you have a leak and a potential problem. Smoke coming out of an intake port like this one means you have a potential vacuum leak or a smoke leak internal inside the engine. Injecting smoke through a vacuum port like this one on the intake manifold can diagnose problems with MAP sensors, brake boosters, EGR valves, and other vacuum-operated components. Combining the leak detection capabilities of Leak Tamer Plus EVAP with your experience as a professional service technician will determine if seeing smoke equals a problem. Your Leak Tamer Plus EVAP comes with accessories that help you diagnose a wide variety of components and systems of your customers' vehicles. Smoke injected through the tailpipe can quickly reveal leaks in manifolds and gaskets, exhaust pipes, oxygen sensors, catalytic converters, mufflers, and connection flanges, gaskets, and seals. For vehicles with enhanced evap systems, using nitrogen to safely introduce Leak Tamer's patented smoke compound through the evap service port is the OE recommended and approved method for evap system diagnosis. The flow meter on your Leak Tamer will tell you if there is a leak to look for. Using Leak Tamer plus evap with a professional automotive scan tool like OTC's Genesis brings the power of two great diagnostic tools together in your shop. Using bidirectional controls on the scan tool lets you close the evap canister vent valve to seal the system and check for leaks. Check the flow meter on your Leak Tamer. As the system fills, flow should drop off substantially to near zero in some cases. When the system is closed and the meter shows flow is present, follow the path of the evap system and look for smoke. A failed or contaminated purge or vent valve are two of the many common problems triggering a vehicle's check engine light for evap codes. Remember, the patented Ultratrace UV dye smoke compound that comes with your Leak Tamer will leave a trail of evidence for you to determine where the leak actually occurred. With your OTC 16345 UV light, look for the dye trace to indicate where the smallest leak may be the cause of the problem.
One of the keys to automotive service shop success is attracting talented technicians and helping them improve their skill sets. Using professionally designed tools like the ones you get from OTC play an important part in helping technicians advance their skills as well as improving the reputation of your shop. Your employees will have the tools to become more productive and better technicians, and chances are you'll have less retraining costs and comebacks. Make sure you include OTC's Leak Tamer Plus evap or Leak Master as part of the right tools for the job in your shop. Hey, you want opportunity? Think about the growing concern for clean air and global warming. For example, in California, mandatory state-level legislation for low-pressure evap testing is being considered. Chances are other parts of the country are not far behind in using this technology. Here are a couple of things to think about. The testing procedure would determine if there is a leak. It doesn't diagnose where the leak is occurring, but sample studies show us that over 10% of these vehicles may require corrective maintenance, averaging about $161 a vehicle. Totaling over $98 million in repair costs, that's a lot of opportunity. Remember, environmental initiatives have a tendency to spread once they're mandated. Make sure you're prepared to address the leak detection and repair business resulting from this legislation with the OTC Leak Tamer Plus evap or Leak Master. Your shop can help ensure that vehicles will pass your state requirements, and you can diagnose and repair those that don't. You still need more reasons to choose the OTC leak detection systems? Check out these features. Hey, when you put all the pieces of the puzzle together, the competition is just blowing smoke. The choice is clear. The OTC Leak Tamer Plus evap is best of class. And for those wanting even more features, check out the OTC 6525 Leak Master. Here's how to get yours today. Call 1-800-533-6127. That's 1-800-533-6127, or visit the OTC website, www.otctools.com, to find a distributor near you. I'm Ron Ananian, the Car Doctor. Till the next time, good mechanics aren't expensive. They're priceless. See ya.